Hello everyone and welcome back again to the very second unit, data handling, and we just discussed in this unit that what are the types of data types that are available, and we also discussed the data types modifiers. We also wrote a program on swapping the variables, and now we are going to discuss we just discussed this table, and now we are going to verify it. So I also mentioned that this table is for 16-bit compiler, and most of you must not be having this compiler itself. So the ranges may vary for your system, and for my system itself I have the ranges of the numbers are quite large than you see in here itself. So in my system the integer value goes from this number to this number, and unsigned int value goes from this number to this number. And now now we are going to see what happens if we allocate a number to a variable whose a number to the variable, and the number is not in the range of the data type of that variable. What if if we go out of the range of the data type? So let's have a variable. Let's call it x, maybe x, and let it value with this number itself only. And let's print it out. Print a function formatting string %d is the format specifier, and then we have x itself, then semicolon. Let's run this program. So beautiful, we are getting this number. Let's have add /n at the end. So we are able to store this number itself. Let's increase the number by 1 only, and let's see what will happen. So here we are getting a warning that implicit conversion of long to int changes values from this to this. So what he is saying that the number that you are giving is not in the range of int. It is in the range of long. Either it is saying that it is a long type number. It is a long type number, and you are changing a long type number to an integer type number. So it is changing the value of this to this. Okay, so it is the warning. Implicit conversion from long to int changes the value from this to this. So why? And we see that this number is in the very beginning of the range of integer itself. So you are getting the idea what is happening here. The numbers are simply circling around the range itself. If I am going to increase the number value by 2 now, so I should expect -21474836647, and you will see it here itself. The warning is again, see, it is just circling around the range itself. To make it more clear, let's take an example of unsigned int. Okay, so we have now unsigned int, and it is capable of storing this number. Obviously that number is within the range of 0 to this number. Okay, what is happening here? So is that number too big? 214836647. There is no warning. I guess this program is not saved, I guess. Let's have this number only, the very end number. So let's run the program. Okay, the range is, I guess this unsigned has a range of this. What is happening? Okay, so we have committed an error here, and that error is a format specifier error. So it is expecting an integer number, thus it is circling around this range itself, and this number is almost double of this number. So it is around -2 itself only after circling it around. So what is the format specifier of unsigned int? It is u. So we are going to specify u here, now, and let's see if we are able to. Yeah, beautiful. So we are able to save this the number which is at the very end of the range of unsigned int, and let's increase the number by 1, and we should expect 0 because it should also circle around the number itself. See, so we are getting the warning again that you are changing the number long to unsigned int, and this changing the and thus the compiler is changing the number this to this. So again, the long itself has very large range, and it is saying that this is a long number and you are changing it to unsigned int. So what he is doing, he is just circling around the range itself again. If we are increase the number by 1 more, we should expect 1. There goes the warning again. There goes our 1. So now let us test if we try to save a negative number in a signed data type, the signed modifier. So let it be -1 only. So now it is circling around the other way around. So it is circling the range other way around. So it is starting from here and it is going towards 0. So if we are going to -2, we should expect 4294, 96794. And there we go. So this was all about this video and all about the data type modifiers. I hope you understand. See you in the next lecture.